Have you ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wishing there was a magic solution to never feeling financially strapped again? Well, get ready to uncover a revolutionary method that might just change the game for you. Join us as we delve into an extraordinary revelation by none other than Bob Proctor. It's all about a simple yet powerful secret that, once hidden inside your bed, could transform your relationship with money forever. So, if you're ready to bid farewell to financial struggles and embrace a future filled with abundance, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to discover how you can ensure financial prosperity in 2024 and beyond. Close your eyes for a moment and envision a life where worries about money fade into the distance. Picture waking up each morning enveloped in security and tranquility, knowing that your needs are not just met but exceeded. Instead of dreading bills, imagine excitement for the new experiences and luxuries awaiting you each month. Perhaps you see yourself sleeping in without an alarm, no longer trading time for money, or indulging in dream vacations and shopping sprees without hesitation. For many, this feels like an impossible dream. We're stuck in a cycle of unfulfilling jobs, scrimping and saving, living paycheck to paycheck. Our biggest dreams seem out of reach. But what if you could break free from this scarcity mindset and open the floodgates to unlimited prosperity? I'm talking about wealth beyond imagination, wealth that flows effortlessly to you. Imagine bills paid automatically while riches pour into your life. It may sound unreal, but this is your birthright. A life of abundance, freedom, and magic. Today, I'll reveal the secret to manifesting this dream permanently. An ancient ritual, a talisman tapping into the universe's energy to draw wealth into your life. It's not a quick fix. It's a lasting shift in mindset. If you're ready to make abundant reality your truth, let's begin. We've all felt scarcity's grip. Never enough. Bills piling up, dreams deferred, bank accounts dwindling. The cycle is exhausting. Working jobs we hate to stay financially afloat. But it doesn't have to be this way. You can break free from scarcity forever and embrace a life of abundance, a reality where not enough is unheard of. Picture waking up grateful, knowing wealth flows endlessly to you. You have more than enough to pay bills and indulge in luxuries without limits. Prosperity is your natural state. This life of financial freedom awaits, and I'll share the secret. An ancient ritual as a talisman for unimaginable riches. To start, gather simple yet powerful items. A pouch or jar in red or gold, colors associated with wealth. If you don't have one, any jar will do. Wrap it in red or gold fabric or foil. You'll also need ground cinnamon, a spice often used in money rituals, and a pinch of sugar for manifesting. Finally, white paper and a red, green, or gold pen for affirmations and intentions. Hold these items and connect with their ancient energy. You're tapping into mystical forces to activate wealth in your life. Feel the power as you craft your talisman with an open heart and the intention to manifest abundance. Sorry for the interruption, but here's a game changer: the Billionaire Brainwave Program. Tired of waiting for your dreams to materialize? This tool taps into special brainwaves, accelerating your path to financial freedom. Learn more and access this life-changing tool in the first comment below. Now, on to the latest findings. Before we jump into activating and charging your wealth talisman, it's essential to eliminate any negative or stagnant energies surrounding the materials. We'll start by using the age-old ritual of smudging to cleanse your pouch or jar, along with the paper and pen. If you don't have a smudge stick, don't fret. Ground cinnamon on a heat-proof dish will suffice. Simply light the smudge bundle or sprinkle cinnamon, allowing the fragrant smoke to rise. Guide the aromatic smoke over and around each item, imagining it instantly dispelling any heaviness or blocks. As you smudge, you can verbally or mentally say, "I clean and purify these tools for manifesting limitless wealth." Any energy that no longer serves my highest abundance now dissipates. Once everything feels clear, hold the ingredients in your hands and recite an affirmation to dedicate the tools, such as, "I dedicate these precious items to serve my highest financial freedom. I open myself fully as a vessel for infinite prosperity to flow through." Now that the space and materials are purified and prepared to receive manifesting forces, let's begin crafting your prosperity talisman. Pour the invigorating ground cinnamon into your pouch or jar until it's about halfway full. Visualize a continuous stream of money, opportunities, valuables, and luxuries pouring into your life. Feel the current of wealth flowing to you with remarkable ease and consistency. Next, sprinkle a pinch of sugar over the cinnamon mound. This subtle sweetener enhances the manifesting vibrations, amplifying the prosperous effects of the talisman. As the sugar settles, articulate an affirmation aloud, such as, "I activate these ingredients to attract infinite sweetness and abundance. I welcome the universe's riches with complete trust and prosperity consciousness." On your piece of paper, write a concise yet potent wealth affirmation using your colored pen. For example, "I am a divinely wealthy being," or "riches of extraordinary proportions now flow to me effortlessly." When you feel the affirmation solidify your intention, fold the paper towards you. This symbolic gesture directs the riches to manifest directly into your experience. Nestle the folded paper into the cinnamon and sugar within your pouch or jar, envisioning your entire being as an energetic magnet radiating wealth vibrations into the universe. Congratulations, you've now activated a potent force for manifesting infinite wealth and luxury into your life. Don't be surprised if you start noticing auspicious money signs, fortunate pennies, or intuitive nudges towards prosperity in the days ahead. By combining these straightforward yet energetically charged ingredients, you've created one of the most profound wealth talismans, opening energetic gateways for the universe's riches to flow directly to you. But wait, we're not quite finished yet. One final crucial step remains to supercharge this talisman's impact. With your wealth talisman fully activated and charged, it's time to invite the powerful forces of prosperity into your living space and daily life. This final step will exponentially amplify the manifesting effects. Take a moment to hold your pouch or jar filled with cinnamon, sugar, and the inscribed affirmation. Gaze softly at it, feeling a profound sense of gratitude and receptivity wash over you. Express an invocation such as, "With this talisman, I unlock the floodgates to infinite wealth and luxury in my life. I embrace the universe's bountiful riches to flow to me effortlessly." Sense that openness and allowance expanding within you. For optimal results, position your activated talisman in your bedroom, ideally close to your bed or sleep area. During restful sleep, our subconscious minds are most adaptable and open, allowing the talisman's energy to infuse your thoughts throughout the night. This enhances the metaphysical imprinting process as you peacefully drift off to sleep. To supercharge the outcomes, hold your talisman each morning and evening while uttering its inscribed affirmation. Envision instances of wealth, luxury, and abundance effortlessly streaming into your life from an infinite source. The more frequently you engage with and amplify your talisman's energy, the faster you'll witness tangible evidence of financial freedom in your physical reality. Persist in affirming, visualizing, and embracing the belief that you are inherently prosperous, while allowing this potent tool to perform its metaphysical magic. With unwavering consistency in your prosperity mindset, be prepared for waves of wealth and luxury to manifest in wonderfully serendipitous ways. You now have all the tools and activated energy to attract infinite wealth and luxury into your life. By following these steps and immersing yourself in this newfound abundant mindset, you'll soon welcome more prosperity than you ever thought possible. Keep in mind that your vibration is crucial, so maintain it at a high and abundant frequency. Get ready to receive, as the wealth is on its way. As we conclude this enlightening journey into the realm of financial abundance, I urge you to take a moment to reflect on the profound insights shared by Bob Proctor. By concealing this invaluable secret within the sanctuary of your bed, you are poised to embark on a transformative path towards financial liberation in the year 2024 and beyond. Before you depart, I encourage you to engage with our community by sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more empowering content that will continue to elevate your life journey. Remember, Each subscription is not just a gesture of support, it is an affirmation of your commitment to inviting blessings and prosperity into your life. Thank you for joining us on this transformative exploration. May your path be illuminated with abundance, and may you continue to thrive in every aspect of your life. Until we meet again, stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep manifesting greatness.